Today, we're making pasta. First, a glass of wine. Rough chop half of a white onion and a handful of garlic. Not pictured here are some shiitake mushrooms. Onto the chicken, we're gonna marinate in olive oil, paprika, some white pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of salt. Evenly coat the chicken and get ready for a hot pan. Sear the chicken on medium heat, cook covered until the chicken is fully cooked all the way through. Set it aside, and now it's on to the pasta. In the same pan as the chicken, we're adding out onions, mushrooms, and garlic. Hit it with the chili flakes and a little bit of oregano, and then hit it with a little white wine. Reduce the wine a little bit, and then add some chicken stock and some fresh thyme. Reduce the chicken stock by about half, and add some heavy cream. Cook the cream for a few minutes, reducing by about a third, and then add your spinach and your noodles. Hit it with some Parmesan cheese, and then mix until the sauce is incorporated with the noodles and the spinach is wilted. Slice up the chicken and get ready to plate. We're serving this over a bed of arugula, so no side salad is needed. This pasta is not too heavy and is great for weeknights. Until next time, thanks for watching.